Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Muggle Magic. In this video, I'm going to be doing a re-release of my original Quibbler. A lot has happened since I released that video. The short version is, people started selling it, which is not okay, so don't do that. And they got me in trouble, so I had to take the templates down. And that's why they're not available anymore. So don't sell this, please. Anyways, this version is basically the same thing, only there are some pages that are missing because I can't release anything that is like trademarked and copywritten by Warner Brothers. So the interior pages that I designed myself, I am going to include those in this download. There are, I think, maybe 4 pages missing from the inside and then the cover. So basically, I've also given you links to high-resolution images that I found through a Google image search for all the things that are missing. So you should be able to just use those links, download what you need, and then insert them into the template using Photoshop or GIMP or something, and then you should be good to go. As always, if you do enjoy my videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up down below, share this video, subscribe to the channel if you're not already. All of these things really do help the channel out, and I very much appreciate that. Go ahead and check out the description box below for a list of supplies you're gonna need, as well as the free downloadable templates, and let's get started. First, I'm going to show you how to put this together really quick. It's not going to take long. It's really easy. I have a few videos that go over the same exact technique, so I'm not going to take a lot of time on this. And then I'm going to go over the differences between this release of the Quibbler and my original, and how you can get it to look right, because you are going to have to do some modifications to the file in order to get it to look right. In this video, I'm using the 11x17 templates, which makes it a lot easier to put together, and this is the technique I'm going over. But if you're using the 8.5x11 templates, I go over that in the original video for the original Quibbler that I made. I'll link that in the description just in case you need to know how to put that one together. Anyways, let's continue. So you're going to want to line up all the templates after you print them out, like this, and then you're going to take some paper clamps, and we are going to clamp the pages together. So now that we have a clamp here, and then I also have another clamp right here, now we are going to staple this together. To staple these together, I'm going to use my long reach stapler because this thing is awesome and it makes my life a lot easier than trying to staple this together by hand. So we're just going to put 2 staples in this. One of them is going to go right about here. And then the second one is going to go a little further down, like right under his nose. And there we go. The stapling is done. So we can take these clamps off now because we have it stapled together. And now we can fold it in half right where we stapled it. And now we're going to want to trim off all of the white space from around here. So to do this, I've brought out my rotary cutter here. So yeah, it makes things easier to use a cutter, but you could use a ruler and X-Acto knife if you just need to do it by hand. You'll just have to go over the cuts multiple times to make sure that you cut through all of the paper. But I should be able to get this done pretty quickly right here with this cutter. And that's it. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. So now let's go over the differences between my original Quibbler and the re-release Quibbler in this video. So as you can see, the headlines are different because I used different articles inside mine, and I wanted the articles on the cover to coincide with what's actually in the magazine. So the re-release, you're not going to have the custom titles here. It's going to be exactly what it is on the magazine, because you're going to have to download the cover and put it on yourself. I can't provide that for you. I will leave links to everything you need to download in the description box, and it will also come in a text file in the template downloads. And it's not much. You don't have to download too much stuff, and you don't have to do too much modification of the original templates, because most of it I designed myself. So let's just go ahead and take a look. So yeah, the cover's different. The back cover should be pretty much exactly the same, except mine is a replica of what you're seeing here. Now let's take a look on the inside, and pretty much everything is going to be exactly the same, except for a few pages that I had to remove because of the trademark stuff. So here we go. The first page is this one. So this is a downloaded page, and it's not going to be as high quality as my replica. So this is the one that I downloaded online. I don't know if you can tell the difference in quality, but I'm going to try and get it in this video. And then this one is the one that I created. This is my replica. All right, let's keep going. The next page, it's exactly the same as the original because all of this I designed myself. This next page, exactly the same as the original. This is exactly the same as the original. Most of these pages are going to be exactly the same. The next one is this ad. So I had to remove this ad, and you'll have to insert this into your template. And basically what I did was I downloaded an image of this, and then I put it on a background that matched the background color of the image. And that's it. That's all you're going to have to do. The pages themselves are blank when you download the template, and it'll tell you in a text box right here what goes on that page. So that should help you out when you're putting this together. And you can use Photoshop or you can use GIMP to do this. This entire spread right here is a downloaded file. So this is not going to be readable, and the image quality is not going to be quite as good as mine. As you can see, it's not bad quality, but the text is definitely not readable. It should be in Latin. So, yeah, there's that, and we'll take a look at what my replica actually looks like on that page. As you can see, the Spectre Specs guy from the cover, I think it looks a lot better in mine just because this one's very fuzzy. I did basically recreate this guy. I drew him in Photoshop with my drawing tablet, so that's how I got a good quality image of this guy. And of course mine is readable, and the quality is just a lot more crisp when you look at it. Okay, so yeah, these pages will be downloaded. Let's see. The Quidditch World Cup ad. This is downloaded, and I did the same thing as with the other full page ad. I put the image on here and I made the background color the same exact orange as was in this ad. So that's what that looks like. Here's the original Quibbler. So it does look a little bit better, but this one doesn't look bad at all. I just think the colors pop a lot more in this one, whereas this one's a little more muddy. Moving along, I think everything else except for the very last page is going to be exactly the same because I designed all these pages myself too. You will need to put the Quibbler logo right here if you want it. If not, I have a version that says the Squabbler on there, and then I also have a version that is just blank. So you could just have a blank space right there, or you can add the Quibbler logo. All right, and then at the very end we have the Weasley ad. So this is actually a pretty high quality image that I found online of the Weasley ad. Again, I put the yellow in the background to match the yellow of this ad. But if you take a look at my ad, it actually is green and it has the Weasley pattern in the background. And yeah, I don't know. I think that mine with the green pattern and all that looks a little bit nicer than just the yellow one. But it doesn't look bad at all. It's pretty good, actually. So, yeah, and that's it. That's the very last page, and yeah, I think it turns out pretty good. If you'd like a chance at winning the Quibbler that I made, well, not in this video, but my original Quibbler, that's the one that I'll be giving away, I'm going to host another giveaway for one of those for this video. So this is a monthly giveaway. If you're interested, the giveaway link's in the description box below, as well as a 45K giveaway for the Gilderoy Lockhart pop figure, framed photograph, and Defense Against the Dark Arts quiz. Then you're also going to find a 50K giveaway down there for a Muggle Magic mystery box, which has 7 items in it. 5 of them are items that I've gotten from unboxings and things on my channel, and then 2 of them are exclusive items by me, which I'm not going to reveal what they are until after the box is won and received. Remember, I get a lot of ideas for these DIYs that I do from your comments. So if you have an idea for something that you want to see me do in the future, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. If you're interested in seeing more DIY videos having to do with Harry Potter and more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.